In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with any kind of expenses that is paid in either cash or by bank. As we can see here on 12th of January, it says traveling expenses paid by check of Bank of America and the amount is $5,000. So let's see how we can deal with this. First of all, if you are in the gateway of Tele, we just click to vouchers from the transactions, and on our right we can see the payments. The payments is disabled. Why is that? That's because we are already in the payment. As we can see, payment is already opened. We are paying by Bank of America, right? And it is paid for traveling expenses. If we want, we can create this ledger. As we were writing, we didn't find any ledger here. So let me just quickly create it. Alternate C, traveling expenses. It goes under indirect expenses. Ledger is not applicable, rounding is not applicable. Control A to save, and 5,000. I'll just copy and paste this amount right here. Now just remember that whenever you feel that, oh, I need some rounding details as well, we just go back to the ledger in the same document and just press Control Enter, and we can make that customizations. Let's say that we are paying sometimes traveling expenses on the petrol pumps, gas stations, and it's in some rounding as well. So we will change it to normal rounding. Rounding limit is 2. We can change it to that and press Control A. So anytime it is deducted from the credit card, it will be fulfilled this way. So hit enter and enter. And now if we see the transaction type, we can specify that it is either from others or show more. It's either from ATM, check, card, or whatever. Let's say it's by card. Hit enter. We can enter any instance number here, and hit enter. That's just for the sake of example. It depends on your company real requirements. So I'll just copy and paste this traveling expenses right here. Just make sure that you enter the check reference here as well, because it is very effective. Let me just show you in a couple of minutes. Press Control A to save, and that's how we record the indirect expenses. But if we want to locate that against the check number, how do we do that? First of all, if you want to see all the transactions that you have just entered, we can go to display more reports from the gateway of Tele, and from here we just click on daybooks. Just click on the arrow sign next to the date and specify the period. We have the period from 1st of January till 31st of January. And here, let's say we just want to find the transaction according to the check reference. How do we do that? Just press Control F here, and in the basic filter, even that is very powerful in Teleprime latest version. Otherwise you can click on advanced filter, but just try this one. Just write 8800 here, and boom, you can see your transactions instantly. It automatically detects that 8800 is mentioned as a narration in some particular document, and it is able to find this. So this is how you can record and find all the transactions based on cash in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.